Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are here with another Fulfillment by Amazon update. I did one of these last week about the shipping ban that Amazon placed on all incoming non-essential shipments. And today, I don't know, maybe you're not in the loop if you aren't signed up for Fulfillment by Amazon. Maybe you didn't get this email, but you'd still like to hear about it. If you did, maybe you just happened to miss it, so we're going to go over it here today. Really quick before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so we can get this video out to more people in the YouTube search algorithm. All right, let's get going. Hello from Fulfillment by Amazon. We are following up on our announcement of March 17th. We continue to focus our available capacity on the highest priority products that customers need at this time, while also adhering to social distancing guidance within our fulfillment centers to keep our employees safe and healthy. Okay, so the announcement on March 17th was what I was referring to. Just keeping, prioritizing products in the health and wellness area and household goods. While we will continue prioritizing the products we can receive beyond April 5th, we are now able to broaden the list. Given our constrained capacity, we are doing this on an item-by-item basis. We have updated the restock inventory page and restock report in Seller Central so you can check which products are eligible for shipment creation. We consider many factors when determining eligibility, including high demand product customers need now, current inventory levels and inventory in transit, fulfillment center capacity, and our ability to adhere to the latest health guidelines. We'll regularly update the restock inventory page and the restock report as capacity allows us to receive additional products. You can find answers to FAQ, blah, 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 and then thanks from Amazon. So here's the main takeaways from this. It looks like Amazon is doing their best to deal with this whole situation, just like everyone else is. It does say, this is the only part that I'm trying to really perceive for what it means. While we will continue prioritizing the products we can receive beyond April 5th, so prioritizing certain products, I don't know if that means they're going to continue to not let you send inventory in for certain products, because it does say prioritizing beyond April 5th. I'm just using like some keyword knowledge here, beyond April 5th, prioritizing. We are now able to broaden the list. So go check, it's item by item basis. Go use this link. I'll leave that link at the bottom of my description if you don't have access to it yet. And go check, see if your products are able to be sent in. You might have just already unlocked the ability to send them in. If they're in pet supplies, I think you can send them in. A few other categories now. And again, it's item by item. So if you're really low on stock, they might let you send them in. There's kind of all these different variables in the situation right now. But hopefully on April 5th, I'll be able to send more inventory in, and we'll have to wait until then to see. But what happens when you click on this link is it'll actually open up a tab and show you which of your products you can send inventory in. So here we could see just this little dog toy I was testing out. It actually didn't even do that good, but I can send inventory in for that, but none of the other ones. Here's another takeaway that I just realized today, because I have been launching working on a new launch throughout this process. So here's something that I woke up to and tried and actually worked. So when I went to Amazon this morning, my Seller Central account, I had recently created a listing for a new product that I'm launching, and I was able to turn it into an FBA listing today, which I wasn't previously able to do, which allows me to get those barcodes from that listing and send them to my supplier, so that as soon as it is available to be sent in, it will be sent in. So I'll see you here again for another video on the channel next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for sticking around for a video with me. See you guys next time. Later.